Ahosepe dwumadie eso I say no entertainment stories e chego world of entertainment na ekoso bia na ya pipi na adwen entertainment no nwom to wasa broad emu so page ti edi nyina bebro me din the Sandra oheme ametiwa now so adwuma nyame Adom entertainment amenti Ghana for chimwa me amene guy no obi din komo akwhye osmosis we chire ho I sorry one onye adwuma was ye abre on this side oh ti mamu nyina akwa abasho ho na yam fansem no enhyehye so over the weekend no na ese adwumadie no ayefe oh ye da Ghana fo ase osmo bonsem e ma Ghana fo nyina Ghana fo ye da maseshon kokra odo a mode beta ye chi e wo National Theatre memne da etwa mu no ye da maseshon kokra sade a chi na akokọ obon a na ye Adom TV4 and I hear that Ghana for I say more time and feedback no see very good obi any je because omo nyina achi mu a na ye enti that Ghana for nyina say somebody odo e beta ye chi ye Adom TV 9 lessons and carols no enti wa nya bia ma na nkasa tina Adom TV ho ye be boa mo ahu but say ne de ma me mo kakra bi nsho ni a ekoso e wo countryman songo e be ye tweme so watch artist so show see artist mumuki songo energy near tight countryman songo be chemu abna pokra hwene so eja yeto akodi ne hwe be jeje to e wo stage ne so eti mpacho madam ma me hwe ne a ekoso na afi wo ne ho akoma bra ye ba ye de nsem aka beto aso ye adwuma omokoye ye eti we hu Ike Pulse Newton Makafui Media and afi boys singing akokọ omo nyina akọbọ adwuma ho me hwe da ma akọfa TikTok de enye hwet na Adom TV so e den be ni nyina amwo hu se ne ye ko big shout out to the multimedia kwa osmo bonsema me kwa no kwa bi na se kwa ye betimi de matupan se multimedia kwa ye betimi de matupan akọ America kwa akọbọ show because they say no performance near type big shout out to S like 123 Abrefi Hidden Glow Floorings and Asami oh big shout out to all the family members my nyina mo guys style baby ya me show bia enti Ghana for mesa Adam asibiem se mu nyina mo beta ye chimem ne da National Theatre ye ma ya da mo ase se de bia Adom TV e bom punu mu a mo jeso sade a che na akokọ obon a na etim multimedia akan brand na e da mo ase manu ato afa ye to aso a na MCM Man Crash Monday nipa me celebrate no e Kobe runner and me celebrate what ya see Joe Flowers obo adwuma ma my Ghana pa enti ba ne say ye be din ahya afi ne bra no sebi tafrache wo kwa na afi ne ye kwa kane ma wo ye wo ti asi bra pa Joe Flowers anopay wo ye me Man Crash Monday me celebrate di mo den nipa bi na talent ahya omuma talent no etete because bra ye wo ye sini or ye producer director or ye artist or tonyom or ye songwriter or ye dancer or ye bibia bi eti Kobe runner anopay team multimedia Joe Flowers we are celebrating you the wedding younger performance here okoye over the weekend no kwampo na atweme ababa say Kobe ya dey too much you are entertainment and I am also entertainment eti Kobe mo me hwe ne performance number Kobe runner take your flowers waiting ene Kobe Joe Flowers so your guy style baby talent e wo mu no ye hu ne ma mo e wo juma pa wudi Ghana entertainment industry no na many pa video bi so mofra pa Jackie na nyom rent free Jackie video dey me dey ama Sandra Kapu so on fama ye mirror team no kwala mienu kwala nketenkete o mo se kwala ya be kra dey se kwala dey se mo hwa ehu na be se ya nananom ne asa wo mo reincarnation me boa because kwala na mo to Jackie you do se ni nua ne jina ne nchen no wo to na onua ne so dey formation it's just beautiful to watch you know Ghana for mo video of the day masisia Django energy drink I won't know more but no additives preservatives be any just raw drink no my Django energy drink I want them paddy Django oh yeah you may be what bread and I'm a con share say me bought Django si my settle kama pa it's a short sports for ne per se ebi oh yeah athletes you may be a woody be MC for no o kasaka ka no akobo ba akobon se why kama pa Django energy drink and I make count for them and I make out to say P work for at the 3P garlic mixture no aba 3P garlic mixture Jumedia AG BP ne hawo obesity say stroke right ya we bia how bia no AP work for edru 3p garlic mixture edru papa garlic solid e dey aye drama e p work for and a day abaye to aso a stone boy am say jumedi no Christmas year to aso sa aboy 24th wonom no na no ene wa ko hu cry for no ga manche akwaje blessings ni nyina sanse stadium no aboy pese ofele honom nti ne wakwaje nshira efina nanom ho ye nhwe ye ni so ade embassy sia.
The national chief imam is our father and our grandfather. I told him about Beam Nation concerts, Ashama to the World, and Fifth Dimension album, 3 in 1. And Stoneball, he doesn't want to do it without come and inform, how do you call it, national chief imam, because he need blessing, he need prayers.
Inshallah.
This is first time he want to do this, and he want to do it and do it right. So may Allah accept his prayers.
Amen.
May Allah support him.
Amen.
May Allah support all of us to support him.
Amen.
I told Marlon that he's doing this so many years. He's using his money. It's not easy. If you are in this.
If you manage to show them, Beam Nation, you have like a be famous.
Pay na said I de bring ano krombe de na say abo awagin hia ne stadium honom no enye filled up nti abo we wish you all the very best. Now parents maybe some say 25th 26th and if na de nkwala na ekwo wo baby on be twa pictures hey ko twa picture ne essential costumes papa it me show for 295 Ghana cedi ekwo 25th and 26th na golden tickets ne so no 22nd 23rd 24th no for 325 Ghana cedi ekwo mfuni e was Santa's Wonderland. I want to afibia no moye Santa's Wonderland jumedia sort bia ebekoso na afi jumedia bebre ebekoso moye Santa's Parade Festival of Light and mofani di mpa no moye Check the Noel Enchanted Christmas moye Zip Mass Friendly Elves no nkwale mo za mo hwehwesi ni na mo beko Santa's Wonderland no obehu elves obehu obi bia Snow White mu na ne nambo tin mofra no meshe parents no mofra ne nko meshe costumes etwa pictures bebre Santa's Wonderland 2023 and I make am for ediama from 23rd akosi 29 for day momodi afo ani che Santa's Wonderland yeah twas wa kidi owonkra de my fans loved ones supporters se mukosho anama yi kan ba my bloggers mukosho ana watwe phone wada ne blogger ukosho kwaji wani wa to technical ba kwaji wani no raise your hand now nsada ho hey give it up now ujina ho ukwa pay information wada ni journalist kidi won krama mo nyina wo chemu a was this December should go to your favorite artist concert. Go with a mindset to actually have a good time. Don't go for fishing for negatives and shortcomings. Life hard already. Have fun and enjoy yourself with your people at this concert. And remember to stay safe. Love. It's in crack kiddy. Ede mamono eni mesho na no ho blogger wonye nkonkonsa. E na no ho blogger wonye kobichi. Enye wo ho samike media. Ene enye ho sister Sandy Biega wonye journalist. Ogo spectator ko show. Jiwani na ene sa nkra kidi. Ede maye no eni obi abehye ne nso. Na meka wo sa Adom TV so ejumade bebre na no. Ene be koso buonyen. Enye wa fidie ni mfia ye che niam bebre. Jumade to so bedwam power pad buonya monim sene jeje no. So obi anfa na ni enche Adom TV. Wo so enchimu mfiwa kra ye di buonya ni we kra manenda ho. Me de jumade ni be si. Osmosis I am a sound guy. Obed Christopher I am a camera. Ike Pauls I see you. Welbeck Kofi Ampedu I am a director. Na ma mpoma de kwaje nchi afifia no pay. What? Thomas Bomadi send this cano. Me need the sister Sandy be a guy. I'm the guy's queen. Her logistics GH. I'm a me baby to be che me fe. Me da say. And I face so Miss Goldie's boutique. Miss Goldis, my catcher saw the bring and Yemane free tech in the US, Abeba. And the furniture Santa Maria Blue Kiosk. Na koto Yema free Miss Goldis with take quality staffs. Na kwenya ina mefa so. Edi ada Ghana phone in Asia do for more wishing me birthday. Your wishes, your gifts, your prayers, your time. I really do appreciate. Nyaminsha will be beer. Thanks for loving me. I don't take it for granted. Inti bring a senior very akoko. Shena shenenso. Mepon. I'm the guy's queen who shamo kuma was when me come no life. I bom.
Cindy, where did you